This is kind of what I did to get that RTI stuff figured out. This is your current RTI schedule that I borrowed from you last year. So I'm just about to float the new names in from the office. So we can just trash can all these, float the new names in. I think this tab is yours too. This Tuesday's schedule is your tab. That's yours. This one is yours. I'm off camera, but I can still see what's going on. I think I had these ones here. This is your thing you're asking about, how these tabs here work. I set the little plus sign, obviously, to make a new tab. I took this name off the exact same name I think you guys have. Let me scroll back. I think on this list, on the little arrows here, you can see the drop-down menu. So the spelling must match exact for these, or it won't work. Again, these should probably be switched out too when you have all the new staffing on there for the new schedule. If you're not sure how to do that, I can help you with that. It's not that hard of a deal, but then I made one called, like here's called it Bloom 223. So I made a tab called Bloom 223. I just kind of color coded it with some Zimmerman colors. The absent tardy one, I threw that in. Again, you have options of A's or T's. Can help you with that too. That's pretty simple. But the hard part is just the formula. If you click on this top cell up here, it's kind of squint your eyes up here. It's a big long formula. This is an equals filters formula. So it's filtering the attendance page, column A to A. So it's taken back, I'll go back, sorry. The attendance page is taking all things in column A and filtering them based on, or yeah, Bloom, the attendance page, column C to C equals C2. So I'm saying take all the list of the students. If the teacher signed up for it is equal to whatever in box C2, and here I plugged in Bloom 223. So it looks back at your page, and because this one equals Bloom 223, it's going to grab Brandon and then put him in their list, hopefully. And I think by default it puts it in also to by alphabetical order. I'll try it as long as I have a recording going here. So I'll go back to the attendance, and I'll grab someone above Brandon Anderson, take this guy, and I'll assign you to Bloom 223. Now shoot back to Bloom's, and it does it, puts it in the right order. Good. How about someone below? That works. There it is. And that's how it works. I mean, this here you could take this formula, the equals filter, just copy it and paste, paste, paste. I pasted it in Christensen, I pasted it in McDonald, I pasted it in Doherty, I pasted it in Dorian. They're all copies and pastes, because it's still taking that exact same equation. Taking the attendance page, A to A, looking through column C to C. If it equals to whatever in this particular C2, has to be, Doran. That's what I did for the high school one. But the same thing can be done for the middle school one. Just equals filter, grab your row of the kids, comma, grab the row of the teachers, and have it equal something. That helps, great. If not, just come on down and we'll try it again.